These are dominoes. You will notice that each domino has two sides, and on these sides you see dots. These are referred to as pips. One of the ways in which we can use the dominoes is to make numbers that we can divide. In this case, what I want to do is I want to make a 3-digit number and I want a 1-digit divisor for it. So I am going to choose two of the dominoes. I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to choose this one. Now I have 4 digits here that I can work with. I'll take 3 of them for the 3-digit number and then the other digit will be for the 1-digit divisor. So I am going to take the 4 and that is going to be my hundreds. And then 3 will be my tens, and I'm going to use the 7 as my ones. That leaves me with the 9 as my divisor. Now, before I find the actual quotient, what I'm going to do is round these numbers, and I'm going to find an estimated quotient. So what I'm doing right now is I'm thinking, I know my multiples of 9, and I know that 45 is a multiple of 9, so that means 450 is a multiple of 9. So now I think, okay, so 5 groups of 9 will make 45, so 50 groups of 9 will make 450. So that's my estimate. I'm saying it's 50. Now I'm going to find the actual quotient using my standard division process. So I think, okay, how many times can 9 divide into 4? I can't do that. So now I think, how many times can 9 divide into 43? Well, I know the closest is going to be 36, and that's 9 times 4. So now I will do my subtraction, and I end up with a remainder of 7. Now I have 77 to work with, and I think, how many 9s can go into 77? Well, I know I can get to 72, and that's 8. So 9 times 8 is 72, and I end up with a remainder of 5. Now I check my actual quotient and compare it to my estimate. My actual is 48 with a remainder of 5. My estimate is 50. Those are very close to each other. So that gives me a really good idea that this is a reasonable quotient that I have figured. So this is one of the ways in which I can use dominoes to make numbers that I can use to round and estimate and find the actual quotient for, and then check the reasonableness of my answer.